about what will happen to your body when you die. Obviously, you may be buried or cremated, but have you ever considered donating your body to science? Today, I will show you the need for body donations and what you can do to help that need. Scientific research is important to help save or improve lives around the world. I have done extensive research into this topic, and I have found that there is a lack of willingness for people to donate their bodies to science. Because there is a negative association with body donation, there's a lack of people willing to do so. It is important to encourage people to do this so that you can save or improve others' lives. The first step to becoming educated on this topic is understanding the importance of body donation. A donated body can do many things and benefit many different people. According to my survey of 9 people of our communications class, when asked for good reasons to donate their bodies to science, the most common response was for educational purposes and related responses. Some can be used for collision testing, according to Dustin Koski in 10 unique uses for human cadavers, and according to Ashley Lutz from Business Insider, it has also been used to study the effects of outer space on the human body, and 80% are used in anatomy labs to educate future doctors. This makes them better equipped to save lives. Despite this need, only about 20,000 people donate their bodies to science annually, according to Ashley Lutz in 2012. Matt McCall in 2016 said that the number of bodies has been falling since 1984, while the demand keeps increasing. This leads to a shortage of bodies for studying. When asked about fears or doubts related to body donation, my survey answers indicated that the most common responses were related to the idea that they would be all cut apart when they were dead, and this shows why most people don't donate their bodies to science. There's also a need for donated brains to study chronic traumatic encephalopathy, or CTE, according to Boston University Research CTE Center in Brain Donation. This is important because it can determine the long-term effects of concussions. According to my survey, 100% of the audience has been an athlete, and 4 out of 9 people, almost half, have had a concussion. As an athlete, I've been warned about the effects of multiple concussions, and this research can help show the effects. Although this need may seem daunting, there are many viable solutions. One of the obvious solutions is to become a body donor yourself. According to PETA and Why You Should Consider Donating Your Body to Science, the first step is to find a place to receive your donation. Then you must have written and witnessed consent for your donation. Another option is to donate your brain to a brain bank that will study the effects of brain injuries, according to Boston University and Brain Donation. This is a good choice for athletes because it can help minimize future issues with respect to the sport. Another option is to donate money to help fund a research project. These solutions can lead to a better life for people of the future. Without these donated bodies, however, med schools can be short on cadavers for research. Matt McCall in National Geographic says that in 2008, schools in Colorado and Wyoming were 20 bodies short. This means that some doctors did not get the necessary education or the best education that they could possibly have. These doctors might someday be your doctor, and they might not be as prepared as they could be. Your donations could help teach future physicians about anatomy. Stephanie Booth in 2018 says that a funeral and burial can cost up to $8,755, and a cremation can cost $6,260. If you donate your body to science, however, you can have a free cremation, so that is something to consider. Donating your brain can have similar benefits. Recent research with donated brains has been into clarifying the long-term issues with concussions, according to CBS News in Athletes Donating Their Brains to Science. By donating, you can join professional athletes who are helping to further this research. Lastly, you can donate money to help fund this research. You can help fund research to benefit people in the future. To make these scenarios a reality, you need to make a decision. It is quite easy to donate your body to science. You simply have to find a service near you that can handle the donation. If cutting into your whole body disgusts you, you should consider donating your brain to a brain bank. If you are unwilling or unable to do either of these, you should consider donating money after you die. By doing these, you are giving back to the community even after you die. Although body donation has negative feelings associated with it, it is important for people to donate their bodies to help further research and to improve lives. To help with this lack, you can donate your body, your brain, or your money. While you may have never considered it before, donating your body to science is a very worthwhile thing to do to help improve lives around the world.